Welcome, welcome. Welcome to a new trading day. Today is October 13th, Thursday. We have CPI news here. Let's check the news first. Let's check the news. Let me just send out the link. Okay, guys, I just got a huge scare. I'll explain it later. Okay, so today is Thursday. We have CPI monthly, yearly, and then core CPI. And then unemployment claims all at 1:30. So a lot of news happening today. That's okay, we're used to it. Now let's check out gold. Let me know how I sound. I think I sound okay. Okay, so gold on the monthly, if we remember, by Tuesday it had come all the way down, nearly broken the low. So we're still bearish, right, on the monthly. Price is coming down. We're respecting this, we're rejecting this support turn resistance. Now if we check on the weekly we're still bearish. We respected the highs, we're respecting the lows, so we're kind of just ranging right now. So that is called ranging. Let's check. So on the daily, it looks like we respected the lows and we came to the highs. I'm not sure if we broke it or not, but we came up. On the 4 hourly, it looks like we came down, broke the lows, and then closed above. And now this 4 hourly is above. The hourly, we're breaking highs too. We just broke. Okay, so we just broke the previous day's higher, like right now. Or came to it. So on the bullish side, I mean, you can take buys when there's closure above here. Here. And then for the seller's side, I think we can take pretty easy sells here. Sells below. Buys above. So I just tried to take a sell when this 30-minute candle closed and this one had come up, and then when it broke its lows, I took a sell. I took a loss on that. We managed it, so it was only like 5 pip loss. Anyways, now it looks like we're going above. Let's check GJ. So GJ has been moving. We're not even gonna look at sells. GJ is just rocket right now. Price had come down during London, opened down here, and then pretty straightforward moved up. It looks like we have resistance that we could turn into support here, and then take buys till the next zone up here on the daily. Let's look on the weekly. On the weekly, every time we've rejected this zone, we've at least come up to, these highs. They're kind of unclear, but yeah, somewhere around here, or here, here, here. Okay, so yeah, it's somewhere in the zone that we're currently in. So that means we could see somewhat of a bit of a retracement before we continue up. Um, yeah, gold looks like it's moving up. And that's pretty much it. Um, maybe we can look at it on here. Ah, guys. Hey, yo. Okay, it seems like there's quite a bit of volume here in the markets. Let me just confirm that the news isn't an hour, but I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah, yeah. Um, let's check maybe news. Okay, markets remain at the epicenter of global market volatility, and bonds and currency have not ending the New York day, little change. Following government Bailey strong words. What did he say? Okay, yeah, some bullshit. UK bond extend rally. Okay, let's see. Obviously, guys, every morning we do this. Obviously they look in more debt news, but as you know, Americans wake up, they do open the news, Bloomberg, whatever they look at. Inflation data due. Guys, this is gonna be big moves. Um, inflation date due. See what they're expecting. Stocks have been rocked by inflation data lately as markets try to gauge where the Federal Reserve stands on rate hikes, with the key customer price index reading on Thursday morning. Investors are waiting one thing: more volatility. Trading session this year have been turbulent. Okay, guys, let's see what happened the last CPIs. Um, pretty big, but let's take core CPI. Guess if one is positive, they're pretty correlated, so they're usually all positive. September 13th. Check that out. Guys, what was happening last? Price moved up and then shot down. You guys hear me? Last CPI, there was good news. Price hours before started rallying up and then shot down. Let's see the CPI before that, August 10th. It was bad news, so it should have shot up. August 10th. Let's see. Yeah, shot up. Hey guys, what is happening right now with gold? Price is shooting up before the news. Does that mean the news is gonna shoot price down? Well, maybe. I think so. Guys, look how much gold is pushing right now. Abnormally pushing. Guys, this second trade I mean, luckily it went in my way, but that was a complete accident. So I pressed on this thing, and then I wanted to press on these arrows, to see what they were. Turns out it just opens a position. So let me take off that. So I just pressed on that button. Next thing I know, it opens a position. I was like, oh, yo, fuck that. Let me just leave it one lot, worst case. Goes back to 25. Anyways, that was the scare of the morning. So I opened this position. You can see there's no stop loss, no nothing. And then, so the first position was here when this 30-minute closed bearish. As you can see, when this 30-minute closed bearish, we tried to take a sell. So we came down once, we retraced, and then when we came down again, I thought we were gonna come down, but we managed it. We lost 5 pips, as you see. And then this position, as I said, guys, it was not expected. So I closed that. As soon as I opened, I instantly closed it. It happened to move a bit into profit, which I guess was nice, but that's some scary shit. Imagine I left my desk or something. 25 lot sell. Imagine I didn't notice and I left my desk. Guys, we'd be down like 20K right now. Holy fuck. I would literally be down 20K. Like, that shit's scary, man. So the moral of the story is never press these buttons. I want to like delete this forever. Anyway, I'm not even gonna play around with it. Something in you brings out everything in me. Guys, welcome to the stream. If this is your first time here, welcome. You are the most welcome on this channel. We love to see you here. You can put like hashtags, in the description. I don't know if that's something I can do. Anyways, guys, we're just waiting for news here. We are waiting for news. I think today we just reached 100 views on the channel, which I'm pretty happy about. Yeah, we're trying to get more subscribers here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Honestly, that shit was scary, man. That was actually scary. Um, Let me do something on my computer. We are back. Okay, it seems like price is retracing here. I don't know what this spike was about. If it was about. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Anyways, guys, welcome to the stream. We love to see you guys here. I have to start sharing some stories. Guys, if you remember yesterday, we opened the account was at 101k. We ended up taking some trades. It was where was the last night? Yeah, here when we broke out. Then I took some more trades. The second candle here. Anyways, okay, we have New York open here in 10 minutes. 10 minutes to New York opening. Guys, they're expecting. Let's look together. For price index, they're expecting good numbers. Oh, you want, yeah, you want lower for price index. It's up 8%. So inflation, according to Bureau of Statistics, of Labor Statistics. So that was yesterday. Let's see what this does today. Job opens freeze, jobless rates down. Release, latest release. NFP guys, these guys are late. You guys are too late. Wait, where is it that you could see news? You could see, I mean, the comments like that. The comments, you could see them. Um, this release. Yeah, I don't know where it was, but you could see the comments. Dude, okay, okay. I think it was under 15 minutes ago. Okay, yeah, it was anyways. Okay, guys, 7 minutes left here. Oh, I haven't adjusted my. I remember to do that. I don't know why I can't just see what price does, guys. There's news in 30 minutes. See, we tapped into this zone. Yeah, around here. Now we wait. We wait patiently. Okay, so as expected, the last few minutes of the hour candle, price retraces. We have 1 more hour till the end of the 4 hour. Even hit the next zone. Target has been tapped. It. Guys, we got a fright on that. That was some scary stuff. Guys, my mouse has been flashing red. But there's no way to charge or anything. So I don't know what to do with it. You have to change the back. Then, like, or to open it. I don't know. And this thing's dirty. Um, yeah, I don't want to break it, but there's literally nowhere to do so. I have no idea what that. Gold is retracing. Trucks moving soil around. Guys, we can see we're kind of in this, somewhat in this bearish channel. So what can we expect when you're in a bearish channel? You can expect to come back in. And CPI, I mean, it's gonna do in one candle. But in theory, this is what you'd be looking for, and then eventually hit the or retest these lows, but probably continue further on, you know? What you can expect. See if that's what happens today. You guys see me clearly? Do you see my screen clearly? Anyways, I have to close this window. There's a lot of noise right now, but let's see. Hopefully it leaves. Okay, guys, 2 minutes left here. 2 minutes. What do we know? We know institutions always want the best price. So what I think could happen, this is what I think will happen. Okay, first we're gonna remove the last part. What I think we'll see is this. For the start of New York Open, we're gonna get this. Then for NYSE, it's gonna be a pretty standard, just oh, I mean for not for NYC, sorry, for CPI, it's gonna be this. And then hopefully we get a bit of a retracement, and then we can take the continuation. So that's what I'm expecting to see. And that would be exactly like the last CPI played out. Because if it's bad news, you have to start asking yourself, why is it moving up now? Why are institutions bringing up price? Doesn't make sense. They would bring it down. If they had, let's say, some foresight on what the news is going to be, the only reason they'd bring it up is to bring it down later. So we'll see. Maybe if NY Open pushes price down, then maybe we can look for buys. But for the time being, it looks like that we're gonna see some sells for CPI. Guys, last time there was CPI, I was actually trading on the plane. That was a funny. Okay, so there you go. We have the New York Open. Closed above this range. The question is, if I think they're going to bring price up, can I take buys? The answer is probably yes. Where are my stops? Previous candle? No. Stops are like here. The buy stops are 1679. And then something like that. It makes sense. If CPI is going to push down, they're going to bring price up again. Obviously, if this doesn't play out quickly, we're going to close the position. I mean, we're going to delete the buy stop. Let me see in September how quick it played out. Was it September 14th? Um, Okay, yeah, price push 20 pips up. Let's see, let's see. Can I delete buy stops? The lower they come, the less likely the outcome is. Looks like what I got messed up on this morning. Here's where I got messed up. On the 15-minute, it looked like that. Okay, we're just waiting here. We do have the buy stop that we will probably delete soon if it doesn't play out. Guys, we're expecting CPI depending on how this moves. But why would price be moving up if 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 it's going to be good news? Why would they not move the price down first, grab a better orders, and then push it up? Which maybe, I mean, I guess that's kind of what did happen in London. You know, it's opened up down here, then pushed up. So maybe they're anticipating bad news. They brought the price up, and now New York is gonna try to do the same thing, bring price down, and then CPI is just gonna fly up. Let's see, let's see. We have the buy stop there in case. Um, yeah, if we start breaking it slow again, I'll probably delete it. Let's see, let's see. There's still moving. Yeah, okay. If this breaks the low again, I'm gonna delete it. Otherwise, you know, it could play out. But we're not waiting for Comex. We're not waiting for anything. Price has to move now. Come on. Looking like it's trying to push up. If we come back within, piss me off. If we come back within like this range here, we're gonna get activated. We close back within this range, but for the moment we're not. Okay, 5 minutes about to close here. Let's see. I'm getting ready to delete this position once we break the lows. Which tells me if we keep breaking lows and keep coming down, we're probably gonna have a push up for CPI. Okay, we're about to come break the lows. Guys, once we break the lows, we're deleting the buy stops. Price is playing with us, playing fire. Guys, when you play with fire, what happens? You cook food. Now, when you play with when you play with fire, you get burnt. I'm not gonna be playing with fire. Okay, come on, can you just break the lows? There you go. Okay, guys, we're deleting the position. If price is moving down before CPI, why would it be moving down? If it's going to be bad news, they would be moving up to have a better entry and then push down. Like when we look at what happened the previous month. And if it was bad news, it makes sense, you know, they come down, try to get the best price, and then gonna spike up. We'll see, we'll see. Wow, guys, 5 viewers. Feel free to ask any questions, do anything. Guys, we just had buy stops that we deleted here. On 5 minutes, we were breaking the lows. But guys, if price is moving down now, it's probably going to move up for CPI. Guys, if institutions always, without exceptions, want the best price, not going to let you and me have the best price. They want the best price. New York just opened. If New York is coming down, let's say it was going to be good news. That means gold would move down because the dollar would move up. Why would they move? Well, why would they be moving price down now? They wouldn't, right? They'd be moving price up like we looked. Let me bring it back for you guys. Guys, this is the last CPI. Obviously, this is CPI. What happened the hours before? We move up, move up, move up, move up. New York open, we move up even a bit more, and then we shoot down. Right now, what are we doing? We're coming down, down, down. That doesn't make sense if we're gonna move up later. I mean, if we're gonna move down later. Let's see. Okay, we're 10 minutes in here. Yeah, guys, it looks like price is gonna move up for CPI. So maybe on the CPI we can have a buy stop at the top of at the break of this of its own high. Have to see. Last CPI, I think we got slipped like 40 pips. We still took the win after that because he moved another 30, but that was some scary stuff. Not scary, but not what we want. Guys, this morning I took a loss. I tried to sell here. So what happened was this 30-minute close bearish, right? Check it out on the 15. This 15 closed bearish below. I said, okay, let me wait for one more candle. This one closed, and I said, okay, that's a decent one. Entered the stop. Well, it created the high again, and we took it here, yeah. When it came back down to break, to flip bearish again, went like 4 pips in profit, and then came back to stop loss. And this second position, guys, was a complete accident. You see, there's no stop loss, there's nothing. As I pressed on this, I was like, okay, let me check out what's this. I thought these were arrows. Look, sell limit. I just pressed on this. I was like, huh, okay, let me just press on that. Next thing I know, I'm in position. I mean, I closed it directly. But imagine, let's say I pressed on it by accident. I leave the room. Guys, I could have been down like 20K. That's some scary shit, man. So overall, yeah, 5 pip loss this morning. Hey guys, I really think CPI is gonna push up. I think we can take a position at the break of the high or something like that. We'll have to wait closer to the time. But it looks like it's setting up like that. Maybe for comics it will push up, and then it'll be more sells bias. But by the way this New York opening is coming, look, New York open right here, right? Prices come down 25 pips since then. Why would they be bringing price down if price is going to move down later? They wouldn't. They would bring price up to have better positions and then bring it down. Okay, guys. So now we're just waiting. Look, keep breaking lows, keep breaking lows. Probably means we're going to move in buys later on. Guys, if you don't want to trade the news, you don't have to trade the news. Well, that's quite obvious. You don't have to do anything. Let's see what happens, guys. Okay, guys, we peaked at 5 viewers today. That was pretty legendary. Now we just wait. We wait. Guys, look how price is coming down. Once again, if price is going to move down, why would it be moving down now? I think we're going to move up for CPI if we keep moving down like this. Guys, you can see Monday, it looks like the institutions bank in Europe anticipated buys. You know, they brought price down below these wicks and started entering buys, anticipating that it's going to be bad news and gold's going to move up. You know, they already got 150 pips, kept pushing, and now New York is like, hey, wait a minute, maybe we also think it's going to be bad news, so let us get a better entrance. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Guys, if trading is stressful at any point, close your position. If you're stressed, if you're not happy, just close the chart, come back tomorrow. Guys, I'm one trade in from London session. I don't count the second one because it was an accident. Honestly, that was actually like scary. Well, in the moment it wasn't scary. I just closed instantly. But then I was thinking about it. I was like, oh shit! Imagine that's when I closed my charts. Let's say I just took the loss and I'm like, okay, fuck it, I'm gonna close my chart now. Have that position. Luckily, I have magic keys. So I have the pips that come up. So I saw the pips. Okay, guys, we moved up 70 pips. Now we've corrected the whole move. Interesting stuff, right? You guys don't care, do you? Cause I'm in the way you move, the way you dance. Yes, like. Well, guys, we gained a subscriber today. That's pretty nice stuff. Okay, I'm just adding a few added a few hashtags. Okay, guys, we have Comex open here. Let's see how this 15-minute candle close. Guys, why is price moving down if it wants to move up? I mean, if it wants to move down, why is it doing that? Well, probably wouldn't be doing that. Guys, CPI is probably going to move up. Let's see. Let's see what let's see what the dollar is doing. Okay, guys. So this is what happened last CPI. We were moving up before we moved down. Let's check the CPI before that. Let's check it, guys. History often repeats itself, as we learned from the other day. Actually, history doesn't repeat itself, humans do, but let's see. 10th of August. Here. 10th of August, we moved up. What did we do for the 30 minutes before? We moved lower. Check it out, let's check it out. Okay, exactly like here, guys. We were moving up. NY open, we moved down. CPI just moved straight up. So you could have taken it on the break of the highs here on the flip. That's probably what we're going to be looking at doing today. On the flip of this high, we can probably take some buys. 40 pips. Be some tight stops. Guys, why is price moving down if it wants to move up later? Check if we can take even before the flip, because now the flip is 40 pips away, so maybe we can take it here. Let's see. We have Comix here in 1 minute. Okay, guys, Comix here in 1 minute coming up. Guys, I do think CPI will be moving up. By the way, we're moving right now, so we can probably take some buy stops. Guys, I never do buy and sell stops. I am willing to do one direction. Obviously, with the small lot size. Guys, last CPI got slipped like 40 pips, and I was on a plane. Um, we still made profit because it moved 40 pips and then continued moving another 30. I was trying to close instantly, and then still moved, so that was not bad. But obviously, if that's with a big lot and you're already down 40 pips, uh, lot becomes like 60 pips. That's not a fun day at the office. Okay, guys, Comex open. Guys, look how it's moving down. Why is price moving down if we're going to move down for CPI? Interessante, eh? Guys, I think New York wants to get a better price. The banks, the institutions on the New York desk want to get a better price. They're bringing price down. You can see, by the way, price has been shooting up. That news, like people are anticipating it to be bad. Then, by the close, they've already brought it all the way down. Now, Asian tried to bring it up. Yesterday, we just ranged. Then, tried to come up again. Then Asian came down. The Asian closed London open. They're pushing up. Now New York's coming down. You should anticipate another leg or another push up. Let's see. We don't want this Comex to come pushing up because that not defeats, but that doesn't apply with our theory. So if Comex comes pushing down now, so the question, if price keeps moving down and I'm anticipating to go up, can I take a buy before, let's say, the news at like 28? The price comes down here. The problem with that is that if it moves down, your stop's probably going to get slipped. Maybe a 5 lot or something. Guys, look at the way price is moving. I'm nearly sure it's going to go up. I would be sure in the market. strong probability. Guys, we'll probably have a buy above here. Or we wait for a 5-minute candle. You guys hear me well? Okay, guys, I really think price is going to move up for CPI. Why would price be coming down if CPI is going to be bad news? That all depends on these last 5 minutes. You can see, I mean, the orders are coming in to push price up. More orders are trying to get better entries, pushing price down a bit. That's why you get ranges, there's no clear. No one's taking control of the markets yet. But I think the buyers will prevail today. Let's see if we start breaking out of this. As you can see, every time it comes down, it shoots back up a bit. Institutions are, they're placing their orders. They're trying to get in. Okay, guys. They want better entries. CPI is going to go up. Saying it here. We're saying it here on this live. CPI will go up. Can be wrong, of course, guys, but why would price move 40 pips down if CPI is going to go down too? Doesn't make sense. See, the sells are quickly getting corrected. People's orders are filling. Orders are filling. So the question we're asking is whether we can place buy stops. I mean, take buys before the news even comes, Let's see. Then the way you move, the way you feel. This is all it takes. Falling with me. Okay, guys, we're waiting here. I think price will come up. I really do. The question is whether we put the buy stop here above the 15, so the hourly flip. Over. Yeah, I think the buy stop's going to be here around 1677. Guys, stay relaxed. Stay calm. You're not confident, just wait. Honestly, I want to put a place buy right now. Get that extra 20 pip entry. Avoid getting slipped. Maybe. Let's see around 28. We said if it comes down to these lows, price. But this, it's reacting at this order block or whatever. Pull it. Starts breaking the lows. Guys, this is interesting. There's literally only one way it can go right now. Why would price be moving down so heavily if price was going to move down later too? Why would it? Well, it wouldn't. Okay, it's reacting right off our zones. Be up, it's at the highest. Okay, I don't like how it's moving now. Retrace a bit. Down, love it. Otherwise, we'll just wait for news to pass and we'll wait for 5 minutes in, depending on where this closes. Good. I stop at 1700s. 1677. 1 minute left here. Okay, buy stop is gonna be 1770. I'll stop at I'm ready to close it, News doesn't go our way. Okay, how many seconds left here? 10 seconds. Guys, we're managing risk. 10 seconds here. Price did shoot down. That's crazy. Obviously, we're deleting the buys here. Let's see what the numbers were. See what the numbers were. Guys, don't panic. We'll have more moves. Oh, that H4 is just a repetition of good numbers. Unemployment, basically the same. CPI was probably good too. But I don't get how that's good numbers because prices are up. Really, that should be bad numbers, no? Change. Inflation is important. Okay, price is retracing. Price is retracing nicely. And exactly like the last CPI, man. And now it looks like price is gonna push up. Yeah, I'm quite surprised by this number. Not surprised, but I don't understand. Probably a good thing if I go do a post about it, so that firstly I understand better. Close it. Don't get it. CPI, inflation rate. Inflation going up. Good for currency. It's good for. I don't get why it'd be good for. XY is doing what? See how it reacts at these lows. For me, I understand that like inflation levels are high, but I understand. The customer price index increased zero occasionally in rows. Uh, because inflation is high, they're going to increase the rate. Which obviously makes dollars strong. Hey, yo, trading view just guy just froze. See their move frozen. Where's the next one? Wait for 4 hour closure here. Go to the tap. Tap this. Guys, don't panic. Organic. Organic trading. Interesting move, guys. We love to see the moves. Question is, can price retrace? Price gonna push down. So next episode. Guys, I do believe that was the flip on the yeah. Oh, 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 oh. As if the monthly's flipping. Let me take sells right here. We're not gonna do anything. I'm thinking whether we can take buys, you know. Retrace a bit. I'm thinking like above at like 1660. Dip stop. Let's see if it retraces or not. Nine. Up at 70. Guys, remember the markets move on anticipation. Inflation rises. We're gonna have to decrease the rates. I mean, increase rates. Which means gold will rise. The dollar will rise higher. Gold will drop further. These guys. Is Rwanda actually frozen? Fuck, man. Feels bad for anyone in this. Thing just hasn't moved. There you go. Go. Six 56. Maybe this will be a lesson. Counter trend trade. This can move up. Moving stops up. Should start pushing if it's gonna push. Yeah, that's gonna hit stops. There you go. I think we can try the same trade again. New 15-minute here. Even on the flip of it. Maybe not. Last 15 minutes of the 4 candle. Do you think we're gonna retrace a bit? If it doesn't play out, I'm gonna be done for the day. But it looks like it could come and retrace here. Okay, let's see. Quick 20-30 pip move. Go. Keep pushing gold. Go. Basically brings us to break even for the day. Have to be cautious with those counter trend trades. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna get some electrolytes. Waiting for the 4-hour close, anyways. Okay, this has a high chance of continuing moving up. Guys, we have some electrolytes here. The goal is to bring this account to 1 million. Now, NYSE needs to absorb this news, so we often see retracement for the continuation. Sorry. Another 50 pips from my entry. The top wick. Those should retrace further. I think it's at least going to come to this high. You have entered. Okay, price is coming back down after creating the top wick on the 15. Price, if we get a top wick on the next bar, we should get a nice continuation down. Back to these lows. Back again like a relegate master. Quand tu parles de moi, qu'est-ce que tu racontes? Parlez plus de nous comme les... When you move, pips is all it takes. And pips is all it takes. All it... Okay, we just need price to retrace a bit. And we can look for ourselves. I see it. Um, let's check it out. You guys know I prefer doing my analysis on TradingView. Maybe it was obvious by the way it was coming up on the hourly that it's gonna move down. I just gold still is the hedge against inflation. Except as we know, China and Russia hold a lot of the gold reserves nowadays. But we know the US want to decrease the price of it. Gold reserves by country. leaving this. China and Russia. US is not. I call cap. Ain't no cap in my rap. Practice trading. Wow. Wow. If you invested a million Tesla 10 years ago, you wouldn't be bad, yeah? That's now. I think we would have had anyway, which country has the most gold reserves? I don't want this one. Okay. Why would the US want? I guess they have the dollar that's going. They don't really care about. No, no. Hey guys, 1 minute till closure here. 1 minute till closure. There you go. Get this top wick. Get this top wick. I mean, the ranges are just so big. That is one potent drink, guys. Ideally, you come and tap one of those top ranges. Um, Guys, you can see here, Orlando was frozen for 47 minutes. Fuck me. I mean, for 13 minutes since 47. Would it want that to be? Uh, I mean, that's the thing. The ranges are so small. There on the wouldn't be surprised if. Okay, So guys, 30 minutes till NYSE. Look at this new 4-hour candle. So the 4-hour candle closed below the range. It's kind of in the middle of the range, but we have room to go down. The same, we have room to go up to create this top wick. The sell to still be valid. I mean, you could take a sell at the break of the low. Which will probably play out. Yeah, that you enter. As this plays out. He places those up. So this can't close. And retrace. Or we just move 15. We should just move. Do I want to place the sell stop? There goes your answer. I think this should now push down. Yeah. Stops would have been the break even now. Yeah, okay, that was pretty nice actually. Tips. Okay, guys. Yeah, that would have been a 30 pip trade. And I could have. Yeah, I think that was a trade miss. You could see by the way we were breaking this. Wouldn't be surprised if they retrace a bit. Breaking above that can. So flipping bullish on the 5 minutes. I wouldn't be surprised if we retrace this. How big is this? This on the flip. 1701. How big is stop? 10 pips. Pips. Stops to break even. There's a high chance we hit break even. See if we can hit profit first. Okay, we closed 8 lots. We have 2 lots running. Great, guys. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out. Well, we're gonna keep moving stops the more we go up. No room for price to breathe. There you go. Okay, we're out. Trade there. We have 3 trades on stream here. Brings the nice, guys, nice. I think we will continue to retrace a bit for NYSE open. Let's see, let's see. Super nice trade, guys. Guys, you know I like these trades. Trade. Bought a new shirt today. See if I look sexy or not. On this one. There's 2 shirts I really like. Thing is, I'm in between sizes right now, and because I'm planning to grow, like, and I like shit, you know, tight, like slim fit. So if I buy it, I know in like 2 months I can't wear it anymore. Think I might. Okay, guys, 10 minutes here to NYSC open. 30 minutes breaking the low. Should come fill this wick. Let's see what the dollar doing. Okay, dollar is like a mirror opposite of gold. Pull back, coming back up. And I want to take more buys. Playing with fire. Like on the flip of this. Okay, guys, I'm not going to do it, but this is where I take the position. Flip of this and stops here. Let's see. Not the flip, I mean the break of the high. Yeah, there. There would have been in. Probably here. Seven, 8, 9 pips there. Oh, it's looking less tasty. Oh, that's the new 15-minute, guys. No top wick yet. Okay, so we've made the top wick here on the 15. Tiny wick, but there's a top wick. 5-minute goes bearish. Let's see. Probably he's gonna keep pushing down. Guys, we'd have probably hit stop loss here. Or not in that trade. At some point you can predict reversals, but at some point if it keeps moving down, you're gonna get burned predicting, because reversals do happen when there's news. No, pullbacks. Sorry, I'm not expecting reversal, pullbacks. And they get munched up. Yeah, okay, so this looks like a good chance to come and retest the lows here. Continue. Okay, guys, we maxed out at 5 viewers, and then it's kind of been dead since. That's not a problem. So the question is whether you could have taken sells once we broke previous low here. Guys, you see how there's at this price, people aren't really willing to take sells. See that? Price just gets rejected, rejected, rejected. So here you should come and complete that. Yeah, that one has a high chance of playing out. This one I would take. Yeah, you'd be in right now. You're gonna shoot up a bit. Pre NYSC pullback. Cause I'm lost. What you feel? You'd be getting burnt. Okay, we're just ranging here, ranging. You can see price is trying to push down, but doesn't have enough volume. So in return, buyers are coming back in. Overall, we're moving down every time frame. Weekly, monthly, daily, 4 hours, hourly, 30 minutes, 15, 5 minutes on every time frame. It's important sometimes. Maybe it's what I was doing. I was getting lost here on the 1 minute. The 30-minute guys. Got a 5-minute closure right there. There's that push. That's guys, that is a nice push. Maybe you could have taken it on the break of the previous. A lot of buying pressure. 220. That's something to look out for. Let's do some practicing. 220, 220. Nope. I'm just seeing if there's usually volume around 220, which maybe a bit, but not necessarily at all. Was here. Nice top wick on the 15. So this is probably what you're gonna see here for the new 30-minute candle. Up like that. The rest of the day is clear in terms of news. Right here. Yeah, look, the next news is Friday. We have quite a bit of US news too. Cashing on the pivot. Guys, we're staying patient right now. We're staying patient. 7 more minutes. NYSE open. Maybe we can expect some pullbacks here before the continuation. Otherwise, we know at 3:30, 4:30, later on in the session, there's actually a lot of moves that end up playing out. Maybe I should start streaming more from 1:30 to 5:30 to 4. I don't know. Because usually I don't take any trades before Comex anyway. Going on here, lads? Going on, lad? How you doing, lad? You're not better than you, lad? I know. Okay, while we wait, we have 5 minutes. Because I have no one in chat, let's talk about. We can check down the check out what they said for the CPI, Consumer Price Index of all urban consumers. You guys like to see profit, so there you can go see it. Technical information, media contact. Ways. Consumer Price Index rose 0.4% on a seasonal adjustment basis after rising 0.1% in August. So inflation is higher this month than last month. So I guess in normal times, yes, yeah, it's supposed to be gold is supposed to be a hedge against inflation. So technically inflation's high, gold should go up. But now because they've announced that if the inflation rate was going up, that they were going to increase interest rates, and increasing interest rates pushes the dollar stronger. Obviously, vice versa, pressing gold weaker. Over the last 12 months, all items index increased 8.2. So prices are up. Increase in the shelter, food, and medical care indicators were the largest of many contributors to the monthly seasonal adjustments. These increases were partly offset by a 4.9% decline, so 5% down in gasolina. Food's up basically 1% over the month, as the food at home index rose 0.4. I'm not sure what that means. Energy index fell 2%. Natural gas and electricity is up. Alright, guys. Looks like a nice pullback for NYSE. Anyways, continue reading here. We have 2 more minutes left. Index of all items less food and energy rose 0.6% September. All index, the index for all less food and energy. Index for shelter, medical care, motor vehicles, insurance, new vehicles. Education increased. Okay, let's see. September, the same is down, down, up. But nothing is up more than it was up last. The transportation. Guys, they know the news beforehand, right? They're writing this beforehand. They release this. I'm gonna read this for myself because è molto interessante. Now I'm pressing on random tables. Okay, it's pushing down right now, right before NYSE open. It's not really what you want to see. Maybe NYSE will push price. There it is, NYSE open. Maybe it'll push price up first and then back down later. Let's see. Yep. So price is coming up. They're absorbing the news. Dollar's gonna go up. News they're absorbing that the dollar's gonna go up. Maybe not now, but it's gonna go up. It'll just come down. I think price above or next. I do think price needs to retrace. Let's see. Okay, price is pushing down. Yeah, I think around 1650 you can get some. Around tops below here. Big profit up here. Let's see. So if you took it on the flip, you're up 20 pips, which was hard to take on the flip because price came up. Did it? I forget, but I'm pretty sure it did, right? Okay, so I think now we've okay, not quite yet. We've soon retested the lows here. We respected this support and resistance. tapped into it, and then started moving down. There you go. Broken the low. Could anticipate another push here potentially. There you go. You got that quick push down for an extra 10 pips. What we were expecting. Oh, so we hit this next line of support that we had here. Tapped right into it. Now we're retracing. What the dollar's doing, um the dollar on the other hand is kind of just ranging here since top was created. For an hour basically it's been ranging. $35 coming in. Boom. A candle. Music makes you lose control. Okay, so we're respecting this. Respecting that one. We break above here. That high chance we come fill this zone and the next zone up here. Dolarillo. Pushing, 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 pushing peas. Dolarillo. I'm gonna keep the dollar up side here. Helps me visualize my game, you know. Okay, so NYC has come down and pushed 50 pips or so, 40 pips. Interesting, interesting. Guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Um, Trades we took, why we took them. They're mostly just pre NYSC pullbacks. Now NYSC pullbacks. If if it comes up. For sells, I don't. For sells, it's a bit harder. Okay, looks like we're gonna break here, break below. Price is trying to break below. Nothing's happening. Okay, there we go. We broke below. Now we should come and fill this wick. Guys, if you're just joining the chat, feel free to ask any questions. Need 5-minute candle here. Oh, we didn't draw our next one. Yeah, so we're at our next. We just tapped into it. And then if we break below this, where can we go? We can go. Yeah, I mean, there's another zone around here, so I don't think we'll break too much. But anyway, guys, we already took some trades today, some nice wins, but we're patient. I can see price coming and retracing this move a bit. Like the way this 5 minutes setting up, it looks like a retracement. Yeah. I don't know how to explain it, but it does. So pushing up a bit. Push. Let's see. Let's see. Once we break its own high, I mean, previous, yeah, there. Oh, Let's move to break even. Close out. Okay, we got our break even. See, maybe it was a bit early. But I didn't like how that 1 minute was closing. Okay, now the way this 1 minute's closing, we should push down further. The 5 minutes back within the range. Once we break this low, we should get a push. Should we enter? We probably can. Oh, oh. Let's see if we see a fake out here. See, let's see. We would have gotten at 44. Get 10 pips. Okay, there's a new 15 candle. See, let's see. Can get closures back above this 44 line. Yeah, that would have been some nice sells. Weekly. Okay, we're tapping this before on the weekly. It is not really present on the daily, but on the 4 hour, which means you should get somewhat of retracement. I do think so. Come back in this range. That good indication of retracement, smaller time frame. So this one, so gonna push up. We should see the push. Go. Could be short lived. Okay, there you go. Stop the break even. I'm gonna let it run a bit. I think this one has more potential. I think this one has more potential. Let's see, let's see. Price is definitely trying to push up. Oh, we're out. Should have taken. I think this is should keep moving a bit. Maybe my stops were a bit tight. Yeah, this is gonna keep moving for sure. There you go. What I was waiting for. An extra 10 pips. Oh, yeah, that's what we were expecting. Okay, that's 2 break evens in a row. Not the bestest of days. Guys, if you see the dollars coming down, apparently means gold should come up. This 15 flip is going. Here you'd be in. Should come up to here. Yeah, that original position was nice. What we expecting. This 5 minute, you could tell it was starting to fake out. This should keep pushing a bit. See, let's see. The worst case in 30 minutes ago or so, we should see some more. Hey guys, it's that time of day. No one here, anyways. So okay, yeah, guys. This position was the one we were looking for, I guess. from entry, it's up 40 pips. Bit of a shame that we're not in it. That would have been the win for the day, but anyway. Games. Add, admin. Admin. So, hello. Opa. Oh, happy. Angry. Um, sad. Why am I putting, okay, P. No A, I'm stupid. Okay, so the E has to be third or first. Eagle. E, A can't be here or here. Yeah, just check. Okay, guys, so this is the retracement we are expecting on gold after we saw that dip in the dollar. The dollar is back in this range already. The hourly is about to close back in this range. Gold still has a long way to go, which means there's a lot more room for upside. No, A can't be there. A, A equal. D, does that work? Okay, that works. That's a possibility. Let me think about what is E, Eli, S, S, A, no, S, no, there's L, Elia. What? Let's go. Hey guys, another few. Not very good at this game, but improving. Must I do really stupid guesses. I know the A's not there and I retry A. Okay guys, we had a nice peak of 5 viewers or something. That was a nice one. 6 likes, extra subscriber. Not a bad day, some wins. Been not a bad day at all. We're still waiting to get our first question ever. That's I don't like how close. Yep, that's why you close quickly when you're in counter trend trades. Guys, I've got around roughly 40 grams of protein in me. Another 100. We'll probably have some mince for dinner. Okay, 1 minute till the hourly close. Closing bearish. And the 30-minute is closing bullish, it looks like. Yep. Oh, 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 bearish, bearish. Like 5 seconds here. 15 seconds. To race. Oh, bullish. 5 seconds here. One. And does goes bullish. Technically on this flip. I mean, this flip looks nice for a retracement. See what DXY is doing. DXY now is closing heavily bearish. Gold, on the other hand, I think we're gonna be done for the day anyway, unless at 3:30 again. Remember, we get 3, price comes down, and 3:30 we shoot up. That would be like, I'm in that 100%. Okay, there goes the flip, guys. Goes the flip. I don't know. I'm not convinced by anything right now. Gonna wait for 3:30 in 30 minutes. Um, I do think we're gonna come back a bit here. You know, we still have 250 pips from entry. Not from entry, but from news break. I mean, these closures are looking nice above here. I have to say that. But I'm gonna wait. I feel like this could drop one more time, and then at 3:30, we could have the same positions we took yesterday. Your voy. Okay, guys, we're up 2% on the day. Something like that, right? The goal is to get this account to 1 million Swiss francs. We are many percents away from that. 0.1%. Where's myself? Ah, guys, this would have been a beautiful entrance. The runner would still be running. Anyways, we're stopped out at break even, so that's how it is. It is. It's pushing, guys. Pushing. As I said before, I'm not convinced by this quite yet. I think price will come back one more time, and then at 3:30, you're gonna see the best move you've ever seen in your life. Maybe you've seen many moves. Regardless, this will be the best. Better than the move down. Trust. Trust, like Liz Truss. Okay, let's see what's going on in news. Guys, the UK is in scrambles, it looks like, eh? Pound is shooting up. See how long that lasts. Let's see, doing not bad, eh? Guys, let's see. I'm still not buying this move. I can see it's moving up. Not buying it. No pun intended. Guys, I whacked the table when there's no new viewers. Because I'm pissed. Okay, we got a new subscriber today. Welcome. I don't know why it doesn't show up in this mini feed here. Maybe it did and I missed it. Possible. Guys, this is what I was saying. I don't buy it. Look, price coming back down. But trust me, at 3:30 we will get this move up. 60, 70% sure. 80 even. 70, 80%. Guys, it would be the exact same move that's happened like 4 days in a row. Although we learned yesterday that history doesn't repeat itself. I say history repeats itself. There it goes, guys. It's flipping. I took off my headphones, by the way, because it's kind of hurting my ears, but still here. We're still. Hey, guys, so now if you look on the hourly, it just looks like price should just continue down, which it's probably what it's going to do for the next 20, 30 minutes. And then you'll see at 30 past, like literally like every single other day, this week. Let me find you guys the examples. I feel like some you guys don't believe me. Session yesterday. What happened? Yesterday it happened later. Um, the day before, right here, 3:30. What the fuck happened? It moved back up. Um, here moved down, so it flipped. The day before that, 3:30, 3:30. What happens? The retracement. 3:30. The retracement. 3:30 retracement, guys. How many examples do you need? History repeats itself. It's possible price just moves now, but I think it will come down lower. Let's see on the 5 minutes, respecting lows, coming back above resistance. Closes bearish. There's a high chance the next one continues bearish. Otherwise we'll be done for the day. Guys, we took some nice wins. The account's now at 1.6k. 106. Started at 100k this week. Money, money, money. Guys, it's a beautiful day here. I cannot wait to end the stream and go walk in the sun. But I do want to take more trades and make more money. If the opportunity comes here, guys, I told you this 5 minute comes down, it's going to push down. What's happening? Price is coming down. We're patient here, guys. 20 more minutes. I promise you, you'll get your trade. Promise you. If you don't, well, I don't either, so we're all sad. Guys, it's setting up exactly like I thought it was. Price is going to come down, create this bottom wick. I don't know till where it's going to come down, but probably the 45 levels in 45. And then in 20 minutes, it's going to push up. Trust. By the way, guys, never press this button. It's a trap. It will open position without you knowing. Santa Tia, yeah, boy, boy, boy. I'll put my headphones back so I'm more focused. Now I don't hear anything but myself. My chair. Guys, I need a new chair. I hate this chair. It squeaks like I don't know what it squeaks like, but it squeaks. Okay, guys. Price seems to be retracing now. I'm not taking any trades till the 30-minute candle. Even though this looks juicy. Okay, guys, let's just do some more market research while we wait. So we are looking at which part of the inflation was going up. We saw it was mostly food. September food is up. Energy prices are down. Gasoline is down. Utilities are up. Transports are up, and then shelter and a few. So mostly food and electricity is up, and then commodities, gas, all this is down. But overall, inflation is up, which, as we discussed, the Fed did announce they were going to increase the interest rates further, which is pretty much the only thing that moves the markets nowadays, pushing the dollar higher, thus pushing gold further lower. How low can we go? We can go as low as gold needs to go. For the moment, it targets the previous monthly wick, 1600, and 1500, 1400. We'll see. We'll see. There's multiple nuances, multiple factors that can affect this. Conflicts, etc., temperature. The Fed, but Fed are not going to slow down anything. Okay, guys, let's go back on Bloomberg, see what's happening. Okay, there's fuck all happening. Who is this guy again? Kroger, fucking brand. Okay, stupid me. Who cares about this shit? Why is this like? No idea who these people are. They're still talking about COVID. Yeah, I don't know what. Anyways, the 5-minute closed above, which means the 15-minute closed above. Let's see with this new 15-minute candle close. I think we will close bearish here, and the next will pop down and then pop up. Let's see. Let's see. 15 minutes, guys. And if no trade comes at 30 past, hasta la vista, baby. Woo. Guys, I need to buy a new jacket. I think I know which jacket I might go today or tomorrow morning to go buy it. Second-hand watch market. Guys, should I buy a new watch? Pretty cheap nowadays. Watch sentiment will surge 75% by the end of the decade. Guys, you buy a watch in 10 years, it'll be worth double. Easy money, baby. Second-hand will jump to 35 billion Swiss francs by 2030 from 20 billion. Okay. It'll be up 75%. So just repeating this. Yep. Baby boomers. Gen Z, Gen X, millennials. What decade is Gen X? Oh, is that true? The 80s to, okay. Gen Z. Yeah, I'm a Gen Z, guys. Millennials are up there. Gen Z too. Oh shit, so most the young people are buying more than the older guys. Okay. Non c'è un problema per me. Yeah, I just wasted everyone's time with some bullshit watches. No one gives a shit. Um, Let's check this other news feed that I watch. Markets, gold and commodities. Huh. Category. Russian, Denmark, Sweden for not including North. Oil prices rise on tighter supply. Do they rise today? WTI is down. WTI is down. Okay, guys, we're waiting 10 more minutes here. The new candle. Someone just joined. Today, mate. How you doing? Oh, I'm doing pretty good. Thanks for asking. 2-year low ahead of you at CPI data. Guys, my computer's doing some crazy shit over there. Putin, na 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 na. Okay, so nothing really interesting on this news. Remains persistent high. But Didi, if inflation's high, why is gold going down? Why? Because it can. No, I'm joking, guys. The Fed said they would increase interest rates. And obviously pushing the dollar up, pushing gold down. We're back. We are back. Hey guys, 8 minutes. Early bird gets the worm, and late bird gets the worm. And the middle bird also gets the worm. So guys, everyone gets the bird. Everyone gets the worm. Maybe I should write a book going against sayings like that. Just find every saying, go against it. Like good things take time. Maybe I'll just debunk that. What's a good thing like um the sun? I mean, does it take time to get sunny? I love the sun. So what? Good things take time. You guys have to wait for the sun to rise. Okay. Let me find another one I can debunk. Um uh Common sayings everyone should live by. La 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 la. Common sayings everyone should live by. I don't know if it's a saying. I don't know how to put them. Things, good things take time. Good things take time. Oh yeah. Quotes to live by. The past cannot be changed. I could record a video and then delete it. I just changed the past. Overthinking will lead to sadness. So if I overthink about what I'm gonna eat, I'll be sad. Come on, man. Kindness is free. Guys, nothing is free in life. Nothing. If someone's kind to you, they probably want something out of you. um okay, maybe we'll make that an episode. Okay, guys, 5 minutes left. We have winning trades today. We managed to get the Wordle. Now we're just waiting. Price is coming down like it has the last 5 days in a row. Wake up, people. If this happens once again, God bless. I'm gonna wait for the bottom wick, and then once it flips, maybe we look to take buys. We need confirmation still. Can't just buy when it's going down. But for the last 5 days in a row, at right before 3:30, price has been coming down, and at 3:30, prices come up. Look at me in the eyes. We are waiting. Price is coming down, and then we'll have to see how the 30-minute comes up. By come up, I mean opens up. Let's see what the dollar's doing. El dolarito. The dolarito is coming up. Let's see if the dolarito also reversed at 30 past. Look, 3:30. Top wick, reverse. Ooh, I'm excited. Top wick, reverse, 3:30. Here, reverse to the upside, 3:30. Guys, 3:30 is the time to live. If there's any time in the world I want to live at, 3:30. Just be unconscious the rest of the day, and then at 3:30, I'm just conscious, active. Unlimited money glitch. Guys, we might have just found the unlimited money glitch. Let's see. Are we gonna lose all our money, or are we gonna double it? Let's see. Guys, if you're in the live, leave a fucking comment. Leave something. Show me you're here. I've been talking to myself for 3 hours now. Not a single comment. Don't really care, because, I mean, before I had you guys, I was doing this anyways. You know, we did gain some subscribers today. Let's see how many subscribers we're at. Elite mentality trading. Let's see. 14 guys, we had one live with 40 views. Dope shit. Okay, guys, 2 minutes left. Guys, palms are sweaty. I'm stressed. I'm nervous. No, I'm joking, guys. If the setup doesn't come, we don't take a trade. Guys, there was support, price broke and closed below. Technically speaking, price should be going down. Technically speaking, that's what should be happening. All I'm saying is I have noticed in the last few days, price came down and back up. Price was going up, and then it came to low. Price was coming down at 330, pushed up. It said, fuck your levels, Didi. Fuck your levels. I'm going to move how I want to move. I said, okay. You do you, B. Okay. I did a B joke, and then we lost a viewer. That's it. The last time I'm ever doing a B joke. As I'm seeing it happen in real life, real time. Zoom out. And I'm lost in the way you move, the way you feel. One kiss is all it takes. How many seconds to impact? Impact in 30 seconds. I mean 15 seconds. Want to see this bottom wick? And then when we flip bullish, okay. Okay, give us a bit of a bigger bottom wick. Okay, looks like price is gonna move anyways. Let's see. Let's see. This is the 30 candle. There you go, we're pushing. We're gonna move to break even. And we probably should close. Close date. There you go, guys. Every fucking day, man. Same shit happens. Pisses me off, man. Let's go, man. Look at that. Extra grand. We like to see, baby. Let's see if this two-lock can keep pushing. Could have another 40, 30 pips here. Let's go, baby. Let's go, man. SL's in profit. Guys, brings the account to 1.7. See if we can get it to 1.8. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Let's see. Guys, what did I say, man? We love to see that. We love it, we love it, we love it. Guys, we got 15 pips on that. Let's go, man. Let's fucking go, guys. Holy shit, man. Guys, every single day this week, we've taken winning trades. Every day, man. Come on, G. Guys, this move at 30, it's the same fucking move that's happened every fucking day. I said it yesterday. I said it Tuesday. I said it Monday. Let's go, man. You guys don't know how good it feels. Hey, guys, we're up 3% on the day now. See the account yesterday or this week we're at 1K, 100K. Now we're at 108. Guys, just road to 1,000,000, baby. Road to 1,000,000. Guys, the more and more I see this move, the more I'm gonna exploit the shit out of it. Yeah, why am I pissed? Because I just took a win? I don't know. I'm not actually pissed, guys. I'm chilling. Yo, voy. Guys, up 3 bandos for the day, mate. Should pay for most of my night tomorrow. Let's go, man. Let's fucking go. Holy shit, man. And then this next 5 minute should come and fill this wick. Look at it. Let's see if this next 5 minute fills this wick. We can know next time, even if we miss the 30 trade at 35, we can take the same trade. Tops, the current. Let's see if it plays out. Maybe it wicks down a tiny bit lower. Let's go, man. Let's go. Guys, this move at 30. Let's check it. This move at 30 is the same move I've been seeing every single day. Trade history. Guys, we took it on the flip. We closed 8 at 15 pips and 25 pips the last 2 lots. Guys, a lot of break evens today. A lot of break evens. Guys, this move. Come on, let me show you guys one more. Right now it's 3:30, right? Whatever time it is, check your time right now. 3:30, what happened here? Price moved up. Here, what happened? Reversal at 3:30. Price moved. It was going up, and it started going down. Here, what happened at 3:30? Price started moving up. Here, what happened at 3:30? Price started moving up after coming down. What's happening here? Price came down, price moved up. And I think if this 5 minute flips, you have a high chance we're gonna come fill this wick and further up. Yeah, this is looking. It looks like it keeps moving. It wants to keep moving up. Sorry, guys. Beautiful days here. We're up 3%, a bit more. Amazing day, guys. Amazing day. You guys just want to see profit, right? You don't care about all the rest. Guys, this 5 minute. I don't know. Maybe it's different today because there's news. Based off what we saw the other days, this should come fill the wick. It's looking like it's trying to. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna come up, guys. Nice trade, man. We're happy, man. Last time I did a cheer or a clap, we lost some viewers. So if the viewers go now, I will right now swear I'll never do it again. Oh, boy, boy, boy. Okay, that's we lost the viewer. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, man? Anyways, guys, beautiful anticipation of the market today. We read the market correctly. Um, we are up 3%. Oh, yeah. Hey guys, so price is kind of rejecting this zone. I would call this support resistance. It's kind of nothing. So 15 minutes about to close. I do think the next 15-minute will push further bullish. Actually, wait before I say I think that. Um, yeah, I do think it will actually. It should push further bullish until this wick. Let's see, let's see. Maybe not. Maybe yes. Sometimes it's shit and sometimes it's good. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be calling it a day in 10 minutes or so. We're gonna walk. There you go, guys. There you go. We said this candle's probably gonna fill the wick. There you go. There's the wick fill. There's the wick fill we were talking about. You know, that's 25 pips just like that. Um, Now you're probably gonna keep pushing. You're gonna keep pushing, guys. I'm basically sure of it. Yeah, you're gonna break right through the zone. Look, check it out. You're gonna break right through the zone. Look, you're gonna break right through the zone, guys. And once you do that, you're gonna break further up. Trust. You're gonna break right through the zone, guys. Look at it. Look at it go. Wait, you can see there's volume, guys. Wait for these candles to close. Yeah, yeah. There you go. Price is gonna break. Look at it. We called the wick fill. Let's see if you could have taken the break of the high. Yeah. Guys, we called the wick fill. Um, could have taken the break of the 5 minutes, maybe. Great profit. Okay, but it's holding that zone quite well. You will end up breaking through it, guys. You will, don't worry. We're not in any trade right now. It doesn't make sense for it to come up if it's gonna go down. Would have moved down already, I think. Ugh. Guys, you're gonna break through the zone. Look at it. You're about to break through the zone. Yep. There you go, guys. Broke the 1 minute. You're about to break through the zone. The 15-20 pip zone, guys. Doesn't look like that much. We're zoomed in, but actually no, zoomed in. It should look like you. Just forget whatever I say, guys. Just 5 minute closed above where none of these candles were able to close. Look, we tried 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 9th time we try. As I'm looking at Uncle Ted's stories, new way of discussing bad news from an economic standpoint. It's bad, but not as bad, but not that bad. So it's positive. Saying inflation's bad, but it's not that bad. So that it probably still made bank on it, and doesn't miss when he shoots. He does not miss. What you gonna do with all that junk? All that junk in on me drunk. I'm gonna get you drunk. Guys, I'm going fucking insane. I'm singing Black Eyed Peas, so that's when I know I have to go. That's it for me. Closed MT5 for the day. Um, let's see. We're gonna close the charts for the day. XY is coming down. Gold on this 15 minute. If you close above here, if this gold closes above here on the 15, I do think you can get another push. I mean, the dollar's nearly retraced its whole move, whereas gold hasn't retraced shit. You know what I mean? Let me say that one more time. The dollar has retraced its whole move nearly, whereas the gold hasn't retraced shit. So if you get a closure above here, maybe there'll be more buys. But that's something I'll be looking at my own time. Guys, the account balance is at 108,000. Okay, right here you see the stats. We're up 3% for the day. Here it is. There it is. 108. So let's see if when we go live tomorrow we're still at 108. Maybe we're less, more. Who knows? Who knows? Because I do trade London sessions sometimes, which obviously is not extreme. But here I think I really think if we close above, we can see somewhat of a retracement. You know, maybe not the full move, but we're looking for 10, 20, 30 pips on a 250 pip range, guys. That's a 10% retracement. We're happy. But anyways, Closing the charts, everyone. Um, I'm probably speaking to myself, but if I'm not, thank you for coming to this live. We gained 2 subscribers today, which we're very grateful for. And we do the same shit tomorrow, guys. We're live 7:30 Eastern time. Okay, but now I see there's more people in the chat, so I feel like I should say something. Why the fuck is everyone coming now when I close the charts? Um, not very useful, right? That people come now when I just closed everything. Okay, if someone leaves a message, I will stay live, but otherwise I'm gonna presume I'm alone. I'm gonna leave. One message and we stay. Guys, I'm reopening the charts so you guys can admire this. Guys, let me know if someone's in the chat right now. If no one's in the chat, we're about to leave. Where's this 15? Fuck you. Hate these lines. Okay, there's no one in the chat, so we're about to leave. We are leaving. Guys, I'm closing the charts again because no one's here. Anyways, guys, have a nice day, and we'll be here tomorrow. Guys, we've made money every single day this week.